AMIX is showing a lot of strength within a longer term bearish trend. This is Monday, the 17th of November, 2025. Intraday high $1.55. At that sort of level, that was over 100% gain. The gain is currently 45% roughly. Yeah, and it's the most active stock right now with over 270 million shares that have crossed the tape so far. Volatility is also high, it has that history, and not a high beta stock. Aggression is very much is very much at play. People are attempting to participate, but they are really not finding that opportunity. But from time to time they do. But aggression is currently what is going on. You can see here. This is the ask. Yeah, that's this one, and then this is the bid. This the ones the sell side. So they are just the ones these two sides, these two positions. They're just the ones that are currently changing, So all the other positions, hardly you can see here, hardly anything going through. So that's aggression. These guys, the people who are here, the people whose orders are here, are the ones, holding the markets. It looks liquid. So liquidity comes and goes. It comes and goes. So let's see how it goes. So yeah, it comes and goes. You can clearly see that people yeah, comes and goes. Participation comes and goes as well. Yeah, we'll see. But in any case, the company disclosed, or rather released a post-hoc subgroup analysis data from its first in human clinical study. The analysis highlighted potential quality of life improvements associated with the company's targeted ablation therapy, a technology designed to precisely treat nerve related conditions by eliminating problematic nerve activity while minimizing collateral impact. According to the company, these subgroup findings suggest that specific patient cohorts may experience meaningful symptom relief, reinforcing the therapeutic promise of the platform. The market is reacted strongly, especially when they heard the news, with traders interpreting the results as a sign of clinical validation and potential expanded medical applications down the line. Investors also noted that this is one of the first clinical signals demonstrating the company's ability to translate its proprietary ablation technology into tangible patient benefits, fueling optimism over its future development pathway and regulatory prospects. Okay, so that's what we're looking at right now in the midst of the aggression that is going on. Yeah, in the midst of aggression and yeah, yeah, in the midst of aggression and from time to time, um, passive participation as well. Okay, underlying trend is severely bearish, so that's why the stock is showing a lot of strength within a bearish trend. Yes, okay. The extrapolation is saying that this trend it has shown is showing right now may remain in place up till Wednesday the 19th, but the 40-day moving average may prove to be a supply line, yeah, primary supply line, yeah. Yeah, it would not allow it may not allow the stock go beyond it. So it's saying here from the 26th of November we might the contraction may begin to play out, but then there might be an attempt to bounce again from the 11th of December. So the case is, what could it just be that maybe then people change their mind and get back into the stock after maybe taking profits or what? Okay, we'll see how it goes. We've seen an upper projection of 1.55. Currently we have 0.8313. It is a downward projection. The stock just blew through that projection today, so who knows whether it's going to test 1.13. It has actually done that. It has actually done so. 1.25 has done so. So we're looking at here, this is 1.3, it has actually done so. We're looking at here 1.45, it has done that. 1.44 done so as well. Let's see what we have. What's this? 1.61. That's the next. That's the next target. Yes, it has already tested all those resistances, but and indeed it has pulled back. Another day it has pulled back. So, will it be able to retest them again? Well, we'll see. We'll see how it goes. If it does, we'll definitely hear about it. Yeah. Previous projections as of the 21st of October had 1.53. So that was tested and surpassed. Yeah, it is that 1.61 that is the sticking point. Yeah, that's the next target it has. Yeah. Okay. Let's see what we have on its 4-hour chart. Yeah, here on the 4-hour chart, the algos are saying that from the post-market session of today, the contraction of this expansion may begin to play out, and then it may just consolidate with the distributive bias going all the way towards the 26th of November. Nothing to the upside here on the 4-hour chart, but previous projections had 1.23, 1.28, 1.31. It has already tested those projections already. Yeah. Let's see, 1.55. We could also have a look at its 1 minute chart to see whether the algos calculated anything in terms of that with regard to that. 1.55. Let's see. 1.25, 1.28, but we've seen 1.61, 1.37. Let's see the 2 minute chart. 1.19, 1.11, 1.45, 1.88, okay, yeah, well, something like that. 1.88, 1.74. Okay, let's have a look at the 3 minute chart. Yeah, 1.29, 1.88. Yeah, I don't think we're going to find anything on this 5 minute chart. No, 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 no. We don't. There's nothing here. Okay, yeah. Let's return to the daily chart. Okay, I don't. Market greed. I'm not sure if it's going to show us anything meaningful. Let's see the 1 hour chart. Let's begin here. Given that it's this expansion happened not long ago, I'm not sure if the market greed would have reacted. It might give us a range of trading values. Let's see potentials. Market greed. Yes. Yeah, it has at some point, but I don't know whether they're still relevant. They may not be relevant. It's no longer referring to. See, for instance, here 1.21. Okay, not really, not that. Okay, yeah, we can see here 1.76, but it's not relevant anymore. Not relevant anymore, but it's still relevant. I mean, it's just an indication of what it could have done. Rather, it validates some of those projections we saw on the, I think, the 3 minute chart. We saw 1.76 there, 1.81 there. Yeah. Okay, we just have to go back to the to see how they're trading the stock now. Okay, it's just consolidating within. It's just consolidating right now. That's what's just going on. But yeah, its aggression is very high. But from time to time, people that think do discover prices. Yeah, but it's mostly aggression. Yeah. Okay, so just have a look and see what you make of AMIX, and thank you very much for watching this video.